mentioned Alif Lam Mim, these words come in the Quran again and again. Ha Mim, Kaf, Ha Ya Ain, Sad, Taha. So these are called broken words, broken letters. Why are they called broken letters? No one knows its meaning. When you put them together, it doesn't make a meaningful combination according to us. So why did Allah Ta'ala reveal it? The answer to that, number one, is Allah wants you to get reward without knowing it. Some people say it, why read the Quran when you don't understand the meaning? We say you read the Quran because you're going to get the reward for reading the Quran. You will still gain spirituality. So someone who says, don't read the Quran because you don't understand its meaning, you tell them, what is Alif Lam Mim, tell me. But you still get reward for it. The reason why Allah Ta'ala revealed these, because the Arabs used to boast on the Arabic. And they used to think that they were the most eloquent in knowing the Arabic language, etc. So Allah Ta'ala revealed these words or these letters to make them understand that you don't know anything. You do not know anything. Now listen to what Allah is telling you.